Sweet! I've got my own car. And the best part is, it's mine to customize and make my own. So I go ahead and enable that dashboard needle sweep function, and now it feels like I'm starting up a supercar. I activate the cornering lights function, and now I see around the corners much better. 'Cause, sorry, not sorry for saving $5,000 on that petty extras package. I scroll through the diagnostics, clear that irrelevant fault code, and it's bye-bye to that annoying dashboard warning light. Oh, and by the way, Auto Shop dude, $200 seems a bit steep for just how easy that was. I switch on that thing where the headlights stay on for a while after I park. Enough stumbling in the dark on the way to the house, if I could take my eyes off my beauty, that is. I adjust these and another 20 customizations, and all of a sudden, what was just a car now really feels like my car. That's the beauty of it. It's your car, so it's yours to customize as you like, right? Right, if you have Carista. Then it's just a matter of plugging in the adapter, launching the app, and tapping to your heart's content. With Carista, it's your car, your way.